here is our topic. We are going to read about this topic today. Uses of different elements of air. Do you have any idea of this gas?
Yes, please.
Talk about these three items today: oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Do you have any idea of this gas?
Yes, please.
All of we know air is made of various gases, and oxygen is the most important part of our life. Everybody turn out the page number 40 and 41. Look at the picture. Okay? Can you see this picture? This is oxygen. Most living things needs oxygen. When plants make food, they release oxygen into the air. Animals breathe in to survive for their livelihood. Patients with asthma or breathing difficulties should be given oxygen directly. So, all the animal and human beings need oxygen to continue their breathing system. Now we are going to read about carbon dioxide. Do you know who need carbon dioxide?
Yes, please.
Yes. We know plants need carbon dioxide to make their own food. Besides, carbon dioxide does not help burn the fire. We know the fire needs oxygen. That's why if we want to stop the fire, we need carbon dioxide. Besides, that is why this gas is used in fire extinguishers. Carbon dioxide is added to soft drinks such as sodas. Look at the picture. This is a soft drinks. We know what is this? This is Coca-Cola, and the Coca-Cola drinks uses carbon dioxide. Now we are going to discuss about nitrogen. Do you have any idea about nitrogen?
Yes, please.
Yes. The fertilizer that is added to plants to make them grow well contains nitrogen. Do you know what is fertilizer?
Yes, please.
It is used to the plants to grow and make a life more healthy. Nitrogen is used in preserving food such as this picture. Can you see the picture? This is a fertilizer packet which is used in the paddy field or others vegetable fields. It is also used in making light bulbs. Okay, now turn the page number 41. Can you see the pictures? All of these pictures that say about the air pollution. Now we are going to talk about air pollution. Do you know what causes air pollution?
Yes, please.
Yes. We know smoke, fire and factory smoke can causes air pollution. Harmful things mix in the air from different sources. Gas emitted by cars, dust and smoke from fires factories causes air pollution. Smoking cigarette is not only the bad for health but also contributes to air pollution. But we can prevent this air pollution by taking some measures by human body. Plants, animals and human need clean air. So, charging garbage in right place can cut down the air pollution. Air pollution also can be reduced by stopping the emission of black smoke from airs and the garments company. It releases the smoke from a car and it releases the smoke from fire, and this picture shows that is released smoke from factory. Okay, that's all for today.